Anti-airport dad. Now, repeat after me. Anti-airport dad. Anti-airport dad. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. An anti-airport dad is a humorous term used to describe someone who has a relaxed, carefree approach to travel. This is the opposite of the stereotypical airport dad, who is hyper-organized, arrives hours early, and stresses over every little detail. An anti-airport dad, on the other hand, might show up just in time for boarding with no stress at all. Think of it like this. While an airport dad insists on getting to the airport 3 hours early, an anti-airport dad might stroll in with just minutes to spare, acting like everything's under control. In a sentence, Jason is such an anti-airport dad. He only left for the airport 30 minutes before his flight. Here, Jason's laid-back travel style makes him an anti-airport dad. Let's try another example. My friend is the complete opposite of an anti-airport dad. She always gets anxious and packs way too early. Synonyms. Now let's talk about words that mean the same thing. Some fun synonyms could be carefree traveler, someone who is relaxed and doesn't stress about travel. Chill flyer, a person who stays calm during air travel. Laid-back tourist, someone who takes a relaxed approach to their trip. Antonyms, the opposite of an anti-airport dad would be words like airport dad, the over-prepared, super-organized traveler. Control freak, someone who needs everything planned and worries about details. Overplanner, a person who prepares excessively for everything. So, while anti-airport dads stay relaxed, these words describe people who stress about travel. Part of speech. Anti-airport dad is a noun phrase, which means it refers to a person with a certain set of relaxed characteristics during travel. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.